One day, Little Elephant saw a huge muddy puddle. "Wow, that looks fun," he said. "I want to jump in." Just then, Bird flew down. "Wait," she called. "Why stop?" Little Elephant asked. "Check it first," Bird said softly. Little Elephant stopped. Then he picked up a stick. He poked the puddle gently. The stick went down, down, down. "Oh, it's really deep," he said. Bird nodded. Little Elephant looked around. He found a small, safe puddle nearby. "This one is perfect," he laughed. Bird smiled. "Smart play keeps you safe. Would you check first before you play?" Like and follow.